Hey guys, Elizabeth here with Healthy Nuggets, where we get healthy one nugget at a time, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you with me because I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite simple, warm, like yummy, delicious, gluten-free, vegan, plant-based, healthy, just God dishes that I like to make. It's so easy, even if you're not like the best cook or you're not a chef or any of that. Like, you just want to eat healthier and make a yummy meal that you and your kids would like. Well, it is kind of spicy, so actually maybe not the kids unless they like spicy, but I digress. Let's get into this. So super simple. All you're gonna need is some peas and carrots. I like the carrots that are like this. I think they're called julienne carrots, that are like kind of like the stick forms. I don't like when they're like, I don't know. I just like these ones. I really like the Sprouts brand better than this, but this is what I have for now. They don't have to be organic. Some good old broccoli florets, frozen. Sometimes I do fresh, but this is what I have right now. A fresh red bell pepper. You could also do frozen bell peppers if you want. I prefer red more than any other ones. I just feel like the flavor is really good. Then you're gonna take this special amazing pasta. It has 25 grams of plant-based protein, period. This is literally green lentil, kale, broccoli, and spinach. And no, this is not sponsored, but hey, Cybelese, I believe is how you say it, free to eat. Hey, if y'all want to send me a free box for this shout out, hey, appreciate it. But I really do love this pasta. It does not get mushy. It tastes amazing, and it's so healthy, and it has really great ingredients, especially if you're trying to be gluten-free. This is one of my favorite vegan, non-dairy, plant-based Parmesan cheeses. It's by Follow Your Heart. Again, not sponsored, but if they want to throw me something, I'm here for it. So yeah, super good. This is literally my favoriteest pasta sauce. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, so you guys see. This is a hot, spicy marinara pasta sauce. It's absolutely delicious, so much flavor, and you really don't need to add much more seasoning after that. So yeah, like literally, this is all I'm using, and let's get into this. Obviously, we gotta cook the pasta first, so boil your water, let it come to a rapid boil, and dump those amazing noodles in there, honey, and let them cook. Not for too long, just let them get al dente. Alright, the noodles are all done. Those are cooling off, and now I have the sauce, the carrots, the peas, and the broccoli in this pan. I'm gonna let this heat up. I decided not to put the red pepper in because I actually want to use the red pepper for a salad that I'm going to be making later. So you can also make it without the red pepper. It's up to you. So we have broccoli, peas, carrots, and the red sauce. We're going to heat this up, and then I'll show you what's next. Alright guys, got my sauce getting piping hot with the broccoli and the carrots and the peas in my pan, and I am about to add the pasta to the pan. The reason why I didn't add the pasta immediately is because these vegetables were all frozen, so they needed a little time to warm up, cook up, and I didn't want to overcook the noodles, so you really want to wait until this is kind of more ready to then add the noodles. Added in the noodles, and now I'm going to let this heat up with the noodles for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add in the vegan Parmesan cheese. Oh yes ma'am, doesn't it look beautiful? Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. So remember that vegan Parmesan cheese? Time to add it. Just take some. And simply put it on the top. That's how the brown says, like that, like so. Wait, I think I said it wrong. You can add as little or as much cheese as you want. You can go ahead and turn your skillet temperature off, and you can add this cheese if you want. It just adds a nice flavor, but it's already good without the cheese. So if you don't want to add the vegan cheese, you don't have to. So good. This is gonna melt up really nicely. All done. Absolutely delicious. You can pack this up for meal prep or share it with your friends and family. Easy, simple, delicious vegan